In the last Model L video, we toured the interior space, and now we are touring the exterior space. So welcome back to our Model L, our 2-bed, 2-bath, 980 square foot home. We are going to take a look at all of the outside options today as we call out some of the features on this Model L exterior video shoot. One of the great features with a Wolf home is how you can customize to make your house fit your needs. So some of these things are customizable based on our options book and upgrades and add-ons. For our exterior siding options, our standard would be the lap siding you see here and board and bat up in the gable, but this client chose to go with the cedar shakes up in the gable as our upgrade option. One of the many perks to the Model L is that entry, a 5x14 covered entry, nice open space on your front porch, plenty of room for seating, and to stay dry in our Pacific Northwest weather. The Model L has lots of windows, lots of natural light, starting with those 4 in the living room, dining room area, which can be modified to be a sliding door, larger windows, removing those 3x5s, turning them into 5x4s. Lots of customization options available with windows and doors in a Wolf home. The rear door on a Model L goes into your utility room, which is your washer and dryer space, can have your water heater as well. And we could do a covered entry on this with an 8x10 covered porch so that you have a nice back seating area to whatever view you have in your backyard. On any Wolf home, our standard entry into a door is going to be that little 3x3 deck that you see on the backside of this Model L, but you can see they also added some ledger board off to the side where they are going to add a larger future deck to accommodate the space and their view. This Model L 980 square foot unit fits perfectly with some of our local jurisdictions who have 1,000 square foot limit on their ADUs. So you could use this as an ADU, a guest house, an age in place home for parents, or for older children who are looking to move out on their own. Lots of permit options available for this Model L 980 square foot 2-bed, 2-bath home. That wraps up our Model L exterior video. If you haven't checked it out already, take a look at our Model L interior video and all the videos that are available on our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and check out our website if you have any questions for a property eval, phone consult, or factory tour. We look forward to meeting you, and we'll see you on the next one.